I'm Mariah, if we haven't met yet, or if you don't know what my full face looks like. I'm on the EdTech team, and I'm just going to walk you through really quick how to make a little bit more interactive Google presentation. This will probably be in a couple parts as I dissect each step or each feature. So feel free to use this as you want or don't use it. It doesn't make any difference to me. It's just here if you need it. So I recently made a presentation for y'all that integrated, what are these people called? Bitmojis that had some backgrounds that you couldn't change. So if I drag across my screen, like even if I click on a box, the box is locked into the background with some hyperlinks on it, and then some kind of just different features. So I just wanted to show you how I did that in a step-by-step process, so that if you want to, you can do it. All right, so each slide or PowerPoint presentation, I don't really know how to do this on PowerPoint. So this is specific to slides. But each slide presentation starts where you get to choose the template. Generally, after you start a new slide, you get your title page, and then you get this template that has like a header and a body section. So this is where I started, and the first thing that I did after creating my home page was creating kind of a table of contents page. So this presentation is going to be specific to how I did this table of contents. Okay, so I started with a blank page like this, and I got rid of my header, and then I kept my text box. So each of the boxes on my little staircase was a text box originally. And I'm just going to drag this up here so we can go back and forth really fast. So originally it was a text box. So what I did was I built my staircase by dragging the box. I changed the background by going to this tool, not the background of my overall presentation slide, but the background of my text box by going to my toolbar and finding this little paint can called fill color, and then choosing a color. Then I typed in the words that I wanted. Right? After I did that, to make sure that the sizes were consistent, I selected it so that the outline of the box, you could see the different, like the border and the places that you can pull. And I copied the box. I usually use shortcuts like Control-C, but you can also click on it, right-click on it, press copy, and then I press Control-V, or you can, on your screen, right-click and press paste. So it makes an identical box. They're the exact same size. Right now they have the exact same text. It's easy to go through and change the text. And doing that same procedure with the fill color, I go in and I just change the fill color. Then you can drag and drop boxes wherever you want. So I did that a couple different times where I didn't have to Control-C again since it's already on my clipboard. You can if you want, like instead of having a blue one paste, if I wanted a yellow one to paste, I can highlight it so that my outline is there. Control-C, Control-V. And then you just drag it wherever you want. Then I can change the text, change the fill color. You can change the font or the font color still on this toolbar. I used for the presentation this little Amatic. And then you can go over here to the A and change the color if you want. You can also add an outline to your boxes if you'd like to, and they can be any shape or size, which is kind of fun. By going over here to the toolbox right next to the fill color, selecting an outline color. So this one's going to be black. This one you can make green. Oops. This one we'll do red. Okay, there you have it.